What is going on, everybody? How are you all doing? It is that glorious, glorious day, unboxing day. And this is a bit meta. I am using the Pete's Pirate Life knife to open another Pete's Pirate Life, tongue twister, package. Note, I have loved how well this blade keeps an edge. Outstanding job. Whew! Look at that. Pete's Moto. So, a lot of time when I buy my Pete's Pirate Life stuff, I try to get multiple things if I can. I try not to get too many doubles of things just cause, but hey, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. You got to go for the double up. So this one was the coin ×2, and it comes with this here lovely Pete's Moto notebook. And I am not sure off the top of my head anymore how many Pete's Pirate Life coins I have. I have a bunch in brass and titanium and copper. I've got a whole bunch. Ooh, I thought that was just free floating and just packaged tight. Oh no, that is embedded into the cover. I love that so much. I kind of don't want to take it out, but I do want to see the underside of the coin, so I will. I am loving what I'm looking at so far. This is the Pete's Moto log. I might need to turn the brightness down. Let me go ahead and do that. Hopefully you can see this a little better. So with the log here, you have the what it is that you're doing, date, time, maintenance, signature. Then the rest of the log here is, it looks like it's blank paper, but it's actually grids, gridded dots. Hopefully you all see that. And the paper feels really, really good. It's nice and stiff and sturdy. It doesn't feel thin or flimsy. Nice solid staple right there. They weren't going with just the glue. I don't know how this middle was put together. I think that's cardboard, but it also looks like maybe it's paper or a log, something else. So let's see. Okay, yeah, that's not meant to come apart there. So, and if it is, I'm going to let that happen naturally. I'm not one to just cut apart the log just for the sake of cutting it apart. I am digging it. I do have to say though, I don't think that this was put together very well, because when you open it wide, it starts to do that. It starts to come apart when you open it. So, construction fail. Because even when you do it like this, look under. Let me turn the brightness back up a bit. There we go. So here, that could have been centered or cemented in a little bit better. And then when you open it all the way, it does this weird number right here. So if I'm writing in it, it's gonna go sideways a bit. So not great on the construction. I mean, I gotta be honest. But Maybe it's just that one. Let me go ahead and see what's up with this one here. I could have just got a bad one. Things like that happen. All right. All right, this one's staying together a little bit better, but same thing. So, Pete, whoever designed this, not a bad intention on the design, but execution, leaving a lot to be desired here. I don't think that this was put through its paces after the design language was discovered or agreed upon. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable just keeping this in the pocket, using it. I mean, it's a good showpiece, but as an actual writing log, not really feeling it. Ooh, I do like this. Good stuff, like that there. Let's slide this back like so. So we've got the Pete's Moto Life, technically ×2. I like how that looks. That was a nice design choice. Looks really, really good. Feels great. Coin is nice and sturdy. But construction of the logbook, a lot to be desired. Can't lie. Also, I was hoping to maybe get one sticker per. Hold on, wait. What is this? Did they change the sticker? Ooh, yeah. The previous stickers were a more matte paper. This is much sturdier. Oh man, this is great. This is really, really good. This is a big, big improvement over the previous stickers that they had. So far as the sturdiness, this will definitely last longer on other things like your phone case or your laptop case or your laptop back, something like that. This is good. Big upgrade. If this has been changed before, I certainly didn't see it in the last Pete's Pirate Life drop that I had. Maybe I missed one. I don't think I did. But great update on the sticker. Really, really good. Doesn't make up for the poor construction design on the notebooks, but still really, really good. Overall, I'm going to go ahead and give this here drop a 8.2 out of 9. The coins are nice. Oh, I'm sorry, the coin singular is nice. Nice design language. Feels really, really good. Obviously very well made. The pages in the notebook, in the logbook rather, are pretty good. Actually really good. The paper is good thickness. Not everybody's a fan of the grid dots so far as writing, but it is very easy to write in a straight line. And because the dot spacing is close together, you can get quite a lot on the page. If you're trying to write in bullet points, each dot serves as one of those, so pretty good. So I'm going to give this drop as it is an 8.2 out of 10. Good stuff. Alright, that's all I got. Oh, side note, not sponsored. Wish I was. Alright, now, that's all I got. Peace.